There's a button on your iPhone that can call for help, all on its own, even if you can't reach the phone screen. It's already there. Let me show you where. This takes 5 minutes to set up. You will not call anyone by accident today. We're only looking at settings. Let's go slowly, and at the end, I'll show you the part almost nobody sets up. The piece that tells rescuers who to call for you. That's the part that matters. Open Settings and scroll down to Emergency SOS. Tap it. This screen looks busy. We only need one thing. Find Call with Hold and Release and turn it on. Here's what that did. If you ever hold the side button and a volume button together, your iPhone will count down, sound an alarm, and call emergency services, even if you never unlock the screen. One winter, a neighbor of mine fell on the ice. Her phone was in her coat pocket. She couldn't see the screen with her gloves on, but she could squeeze the sides. That squeeze made the call. Now the part people skip. Scroll down and tap Set up Emergency Contacts in Health. This is where you tell the phone who to text when help is called. Your son, your daughter, a neighbor. Add one person. Just one is enough to start. Now, if SOS is ever used, they get a message with your location automatically. Let's remember, Settings, Emergency SOS, turn on Call with Hold and Release. Then add one emergency contact in Health. 5 minutes, once, and it's always there. You'll probably never need it. That's the best outcome. But now it's there, quietly, just in case. Next, something happier. I'll show you how one button in WhatsApp turns a phone call into seeing your grandkids' faces. I'll see you there.